Hello and welcome to another Moosend tutorial. In this video, I will show you one of the best email marketing practices, list segmentation. List segmentation is the process of dividing up an email list into smaller groups of subscribers that share something in common, based on various criteria. This can be demographics, locations, preferences, user activity, and more. The groups created after this process are called segments. You can segment your email lists in various ways. The first way is by using the information you have collected from your subscribers through the custom fields you have created. The second is by using the segmentation criteria that Moosend provides based on subscriber behavior information. Or you can combine these two. Grouping your subscribers this way helps you to send the right email to the right person depending on their profile and needs. Now let's see how you will create your first segment, with all the information you have collected through custom fields. For this example, let's say that you want to promote a special event taking place in France. So you want to only send your campaign to your French subscribers, right? Let's see how you will narrow down your receivers according to their country. From your Moosend dashboard, start by clicking on the Mailing Lists button. Click on the name of the mailing list from which you want to create a segment. Click on the Segments tab on the menu that appears. Click on the Create New Segment button. Now it's time to give a name to your segment. Use something that will help you identify it easily. Before you specify the segmentation criteria upon which your segment will be based, you must first choose whether your segment will match all or any of the criteria you set. Using the Fetch drop-down option, you can also choose whether the segment you are creating will contain all the matching recipients, max number, or max percentage of recipients. We start by choosing all in both drop-down menus. Now, click on the Add More Criteria button to set the criteria of your segment. You have 3 drop-down menus to work with. In the first box, you need to choose the type of criteria by which you will narrow down your target audience. In the drop-down menu, you will first see the segmentation criteria that Moosend provides. Below them, you will find the custom fields that you have previously created to store information for your audience. Continuing with our example, we will choose the custom field country. In the second box, you must choose how the type of segmentation criteria you have chosen previously narrows down your recipients, or which condition describes what you want to find. It's like making a small sentence that describes what your segment will contain. The options available depend on your previous choice of criteria. In this particular example, we choose is. The third field either defines the specific criteria that have to be fulfilled by the previous 2 fields or narrows down the target audience even more. The options available always depend on your previous choices. In this case, we need to select the country we are looking for. If you want, you can narrow down your segment even more by clicking on Add More Criteria. The number of subscribers inside your mailing list that matches your segmentation criteria shows up here. You can also click on the Preview Recipients button to see their full details. When you're finished, click on the Save Segment button. To edit or delete your segment, click on the pencil-shaped button or the X button located under the Actions column. Good job! Now you can use your segment for notifying a specific group of subscribers about your upcoming event. Please take a moment to leave a comment below about your experience completing this tutorial.